Riding along with idioms, understanding, along for the ride. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard before, along for the ride. This idiom is not just about cars or bikes. It's packed with meaning and can add a fun twist to your conversations. So, buckle up, and let's explore how to use along for the ride effectively in English. Along for the ride refers to participating in an activity without being the main contributor or having a passive role. It often means joining others in what they're doing for the experience or fun of it, rather than to achieve a specific goal. Imagine going on a road trip where your friend is the one driving and deciding the destination, and you're just there to enjoy whatever comes your way. That's being along for the ride. While the exact origin of along for the ride is hard to pinpoint, it's easy to see how it evolved from literal car rides to a metaphorical expression. Initially, it might have described someone who joins a car ride without any purpose other than the journey itself. Over time, it became a colorful way to describe participation in any activity with a laid-back, observant role. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Social situations. When you join a group of friends for an outing without caring much about the destination or activities planned. Work projects. If you're part of a team but not leading the project, you might be along for the ride, observing and learning as the project progresses. Life experiences. Sometimes, we say we're along for the ride when talking about life's unpredictability and our willingness to see where it takes us without trying to control every outcome. I didn't know much about the exhibition, but I was along for the ride because my friends were excited about it. In this project, I'm really just along for the ride. The team leader is the one making all the decisions. Life's been a roller coaster this year, and I'm just along for the ride, enjoying the good moments and learning from the challenges. Understanding and using idioms like along for the ride can make your English more natural and expressive. It's all about the joy of learning and the journey of language acquisition. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your conversations. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, sometimes it's perfectly fine to be along for the ride in learning English. See you in our next video.